You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing medical terms that many get wrong, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. How do you say it? Chylous, not chylous, but chylous ascites. I know it's a tricky one, not obvious, but it's easy once you know. Chylous ascites. Chylous ascites. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thanks for the support, and thanks for watching. Remember, Chylous Ascites. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.